how you can sign up for BitPay account. BitPay is a crypto transaction website or app where you can use it to buy or sell your crypto. So let's see how you can create an account. First thing you want to do is open any web browser you have and search for BitPay. And once you search for it, this will show up. You just want to click the first link. It will directly take you to the official website. If you already have an account, that's great. You can just click on login and log into your account. But if you don't have the account, you can click on get started. So this will take you to the sign up page. Here you have two options. You can either create it for personal use or business use. For business use, you will have to enter all of your business details. For now, I'm just gonna use it as personal use. So here you will have to enter your first name and then your last name. Then you will have to enter your email address right here. Once you enter your email, you have to create a strong password. So you can use different kind of characters to create your password. Once you have created your password, you will have to click on this I agree box. If you want to receive promotional emails, you can check this box, but if you don't want it, you can leave it as it is. Then click on submit. You'll have to complete a few CAPTCHA right here and then click on continue or verify. Once you do that, it will ask you to check your inbox. You just have to go to your Gmail, verify your account. So I'm just going to open my mail, and as you can see, I've just got a email from the BitPay's team. Now I'm just going to click on complete verification. It will authorize and verify my account. As you can see, it's been successful. Now if I continue, I can easily log into my account from here. I hope this video was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.